Hello everyone, this is Kelly Summerford from the Commissions team. You may notice differences in your RCTIs due to the changes recommended by the Combined Industry Forum, CIF. You may have received notification from your lenders about changes to the calculation of upfront commission for home loans. Where clients did not draw down the full settlement value, there will be differences on your commission RCTI. Going forward, the upfront commission for home loans will be calculated based on the drawn balance net of offset, instead of the total approved or settled facility amount. The lender will determine the drawn balance net of offset by checking the balance of the loan plus any applicable offsets a set number of days after settlement. The drawn balance minus the offset balance will be the drawn balance net of offset. The number of days after settlement that a lender uses to get the drawn balance will vary per lender. There are links for more information at the end of this video, and we'll look at how the example on screen will impact your RCTI on the next two slides. The first page of your RCTI remains unchanged, although you may notice a lower upfront amount than you were expecting. If a client does not fully draw down their home loan, the commission details page is where you will notice a difference in your RCTI. Prior to the CIF lender changes, the current balance column would have reported the total settlement amount, shown in the blue. Going forward, for those lenders who have made the CIF calculation changes, the current balance column will reflect the drawn balance net of offset. Using the example detailed on screen, where a client settles for $250,000 but only settles down $200,000, prior to the CIF changes, the current balance will have reflected the settlement of $250,000 and at a percentage of 0.55, an upfront payable of $1,375. Post-CIF changes, the current balance will only reflect the $200,000 drawn down, resulting in an upfront of $1,100 at a percentage of 0.55. If there was also a $50,000 offset attached to the drawn balance of $200,000, then the drawn balance net of offset would be $150,000 and would result in an upfront of $825 at a percentage of 0.55. For those lenders that will pay upfront on subsequent drawdowns, you will see a new upfront payment and current balance on the same loan number for each drawdown within lender specifications. Each time, the upfront paid will be calculated based on the drawn balance net of offset. Each lender will have different rules around how and when any applicable subsequent drawdowns are calculated and paid. You're probably seeing lots of communication from the lenders you're accredited with. For help assimilating all this information, please refer to the Podium Library Commissions tab to view our new matrix CIF Lender Changes to Upfront Commissions, which details each lender's changes. This document will be updated as each lender rolls out their changes. You can also find the Commissions RCTI Guide and the Lender Commissions Guide in the Podium Library under Commissions. If this material still doesn't help answer your questions, please speak to your Lend BDM or call the Podium Support Desk number on screen. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful.